Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert. Today we're going to be working on this oil cooler line leak here. So if you're not already a subscriber, so ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video. I know this is a little bit different than electrical, but we try to post a little bit of everything that we do on here. So let's jump into this. So here we have a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder with a oil cooler hose leak underneath here. As you can see, we have some coolant on the line and on the electrical connector here. So we're going to try to get this guy changed out today and kind of give you an idea what it's going to be like to change it. It's been leaking coolant quite a bit, so we're going to have to get it took care of. So here's the oil cooler line on a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder. Now this guy was leaking. Now there's under the AC compressor here, there's a aluminum line. There's a bolt here, and get over on this other side. I come to find out that if you push this piece of plastic back, you look right in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not. Yeah, right there. There's the other bolt. There's the oil cooler and the rubber hose. So you take that bolt loose, pop that clip out, pop that clip out, and then there's another clip right there, and then up there's the rubber hose that we was looking at, and there's another bolt up there. Take that loose, this whole piece will come out. I drain the antifreeze, the coolant first before I done this. You will have some come out. Okay, so here is the other oil line cooler, or oil cooler line. This is the other one. You could tell, I think there was a leak right there around that bracket, and I think there was a leak around one of these. But this gives you an idea of what it looks like off the vehicle. I seen aluminum earlier in the video, but I don't know. I don't know if this is aluminum or what. Maybe you guys can. Maybe you guys out there have changed one of these before and know what kind of material this is. Whatever it is, it's broke down over time and began to leak. So, but yeah, this is the oil cooler line that goes. It's located right up underneath the AC compressor. Okay, so we got the line changed. We're going to throw some coolant in here and check for leaks. Well, so far so good. I don't see any leaks. I've got it, had it running for a little bit. It's up to temperature, so everything is looking good so far. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel. It really helps the channel, and catch you later.